Shopify is the leading e-commerce platform that powers over 4 million businesses worldwide. It is trusted by businesses like you all over the globe. So if you're someone who is just getting started with Shopify or someone who is looking to start their first online store, then this video is going to be really helpful for you, because in this video, I'm going to provide you with the best Shopify deal that's in the market right now. And I'm going to show you step by step how you can get the Shopify free trial for 3 months with all the features that you get in the paid plans. So first of all, you need to click on the first link in the description, which will take you to a page like this. Now, as you can see clearly, it says you get a free trial and enjoy 3 months of Shopify for $1 a month on selected plans. Moreover, you can get it for absolutely free for the first 3 days, and you don't even need to fill in your credit card information, which is absolutely amazing. You just need to fill in your email address and you are good to go. So let me fill my email address and then I'll click on start free trial, which will take us to this page. From here on, you need to provide some basic information to Shopify about your store. Here you need to select whether you are just getting started or you are already selling online. Assuming that you are a beginner, I'm going to click on just getting started and click on next. Now you need to tell Shopify where would you like to sell your products, whether it's going to be an online store, in person, or you already have a website or blog, social media, or online marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Shopify will provide you with the features accordingly. For now, I'm just going to continue with an online store and click on next. Now you need to decide what do you want to sell. Whether it is something that you make by yourself, you are selling some digital products, or you are dropshipping, or you might be providing some services like coaching calls or consulting. And in the end, you can also choose print-on-demand products. Once we are done with that, we need to decide the location of our business. In case you do not have a physical office yet, you can choose your home country. For now, I'm just going to go with the United States. Here we will create your Shopify ID. You can do it with your email address, Apple ID, or just with Facebook. I'm going to continue with the email address. So I'll just fill in my email address and password and click on create my Shopify ID. Now the magic starts. Shopify is creating your store. It will take a few seconds to load and will take you to the main dashboard of your store. You will see this pop up in the right hand side corner which says your trial has just started. Switch to a paid plan and get first 3 months for $1 or €1 a month. Now you need to click on pick your plan, which will take us to this page where we can see all the different plans that Shopify offers. First one is the basic, second is Shopify, and third one is the advanced one. All the plans will be for $1 a month only, and then they will start charging from the next month. You can see the difference in the plans by scrolling down. I'm going to go with the basic one for now. As you can see the billing cycle, if you choose the monthly plan, it is going to be $1 or €1 for the first month and then €35 from the next month. But if you choose the yearly plan, you're going to save an extra €108 because it is going to be only €27 a month instead of €36 as in the monthly plan. So I highly recommend you to go with the yearly plan if you're thinking long term for your business. I'll choose the monthly plan for now. Then you need to fill in your business address and choose the payment method, which could be a credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Once you are done with that, click on subscribe and you will be good to go. Make sure you sign up using the link in the description, otherwise you won't be able to avail the offer. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. That's it for the video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.